Okay. Hannah spends 14 days exclusive of travel time in a total of 6 cities. So we know that we have 14 days in 6 cities. Rule number 1. Each city she visits in one of 3 countries, X, Y, or Z. Rule number 2. Each of the 3 countries has many cities. Rule number 3. Hannah visits at least 1 city in each of the 3 countries. So we know that Hannah visits at least 1 city in each country. Rule number 4, she spends at least 2 days in each city she visits. And rule number 5, she spends only whole days in any city. Okay, so since we know that she's spending 14 days in 6 cities, we know there are 3 possible variations for days to cities. We can have Hannah see 4 cities in 1 country and then 1 in the other 2. So since she spends at least 2 days in each city, she'll spend 8 days in the country where she sees 4 cities and then 2 in the other countries. And then we can have an option where she goes to 3 cities in 1 country, 2 cities in another, and then 1 left over in the last country. So again, that means she'll spend 6 days in the first country, 4 days in the second country, and 2 days in the last country. And then the last option is where she will go to 2 cities in each country. Now, in these 3 options, she has gone to 6 cities. Because remember, that's what the question has told us, that Hannah is seeing 6 cities. But she spends 14 days in these 6 cities. So we've got the cities down, but let's look if we have the days down. So we've put down the minimum days, right? So we know we have 8 days, 2 days, and 2 days. So that's only 12 days. So we have 2 additional days in this first option. In the second option, we have 6, 4, and 2. Again, that's only 12 days. So we have 2 additional days. And in the third option, we again have 4, 4, and 4. So that's 12 days again. So in all 3 options, we have 2 additional days to give to any of the countries. Okay, so that's our setup, our rules, and our deductions. Let's go to the next game.